Component placement. Crown installation. Linkers installation. Gable lag installation. Fix the base plate. Fix the gable purlin. Frame installation. X-bracing installation. Big purlin, small purlin installation. Frame construction completed and displayed. Roof fabric installation. Sidewall fabric installation. Pull up the central zipper. Same step for other side walls. Put on all side walls. Triangle fabric installation. Insert gable edge press bar. Complete the construction.